Let's clarify what trustworthy AI means in PMI-CPMAI. It goes beyond ethics or technology. It is about whether an AI system can be trusted to operate and influence real decisions. Trust is not optional in AI projects. Without trust, users reject AI outputs, stakeholders block deployment, and organizations stop scaling solutions. Strong models alone are not enough. In CPMAI, trust is treated as a core project concern. No trust means no value.
Trustworthy AI is not just about accuracy. It means AI that is responsible, transparent, governed, and safe to use. Accuracy alone does not guarantee trust, adoption, or value. In PMI-CPMAI, these dimensions are treated as essential project requirements, not optional features.
PMI emphasizes trust because AI systems influence decisions, people, and real-world outcomes. When AI affects how decisions are made, trust becomes a project responsibility, not a technical side topic. That is why in PMI-CPMAI, trust is treated as a core management concern. In CPMAI, trust is treated as a managed dimension of the project. It is designed from the start, managed throughout the lifecycle, and monitored during operations. Trust is not something you assume once the model works. It is something you plan, control, and continuously verify.
Trustworthy AI is a management problem, not something you add at the end of a project. In PMI-CPMAI, trust must be planned, governed, and managed from the start. If you want to explore these concepts in depth, including exam-style scenarios, you will find them in the full Udemy course.